Turning the appliance on. Before turning the appliance on, make sure the main switch on the back of the appliance is in the I position. Each time the appliance is turned on, it performs an automatic preheat and rinse cycle, which cannot be interrupted. The appliance is ready for use only after completion of this cycle. Danger of burns. During rinsing, a little hot water comes out of the coffee spouts and is collected in the drip tray underneath. Avoid contact with splashes of water. To turn the appliance on, press the On standby button. The temperature light flashes while the appliance is heating up and performing an automatic rinse cycle. By circulating hot water, the appliance heats both the boiler and the internal circuits. The appliance is at temperature when the temperature light goes off, and the lights, corresponding to the selected coffee taste and quantity, come on.